Hey guys, it's Mrs. Doer. I'm here today with a video on word problems and applications. This will be a 4-part series. I want to look at 4 different types and I'm going to show you 4 different short videos. Altogether, we're going to be covering type 1, translating the verbal phrases into an equation. Type 2, where we find 2 numbers using let statements. Type 3, where we solve word problems involving consecutive integers. And type 4, where we solve word problems involving formulas. So today's video is going to be just the first type, translating the verbal phrase into an equation and solving. So I'm calling this one type 1. So my example is the sum of a number and 16 is negative 54. Find the number. So the idea is to pull out your keywords and translate them. We know that sum means addition, so we know we'll be adding 2 things. We're going to be adding a number in 16, so that's n plus 16, or you can use a different variable if you'd like. Is negative 54 means equals negative 54. So we have ourselves a nice, easy one-step equation. To solve for n, we just subtract 16 from both sides to eliminate those 16s. We do the math on the right, and n equals negative 70. Now we're going to check and see if our answer works. I want to go back to our original statement that said the sum of a number and 16 is negative 54. And we got negative 70 for our answer, so let's replace that number with negative 70. Now, does the sum of negative 70 and 16 actually equal negative 54 like it's supposed to? Well, when you check it out, negative 70 plus 16 does give us negative 54. So it does work. Here's another one. It's similar. If you want to give it a try, you can pause the video. Otherwise, just stay with me. 5 times the sum of a number and 12 is 40. Find the number. So we start off by noticing it says 5 times. So that means we're going to multiply 5 by something. Now, the next part says the sum of a number and 12. Well, that's going to require parentheses. 5 times a sum means put the n plus 12 in parentheses and multiply the entire sum by 5. Is 40 means equals 40. Now, you've seen in my previous videos that if you have parentheses, we need to distribute. So 5 times n and 5 times 12 to get rid of those parentheses. And now it's a 2-step equation. We subtract our 60 to eliminate the 60s. 40 minus 60 is negative 20. The second step to this is divide by 5. So n equals negative 4. Now I want to check again and see, does this actually work? Does it make sense? So here's our original statement. 5 times the sum of a number and 12 is 40. We got negative 4. Let's replace the number with negative 4 and let's see if it works. So first of all, the sum means addition. We're going to be adding negative 4 and 12, and we're going to multiply that by 5. And our answer should be 40. Well, negative 4 and 12 simplifies to 8, so 5 times 8 is 40, so we know it works. So that'll do it for type 1. Check out the unit that goes along with this video by clicking the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.